To create a gallery using the aThemes add-ons for Elementor plugin, go to your website's admin area, find aThemes add-ons, and search for the gallery widget. Click on this toggle to activate it. Now go to the Elementor page where you want to add this widget or create a new page. Here you can search for the widget or scroll down to the aThemes add-ons category and drag the widget. You will notice there are a few default items to get you started. Let's have a look at the options. First of all, we have the layout section. You can choose the scheme, so it's default or card. You can change the column number. Let's take 3 for now. And the spacing between items. Next up, we have the gallery section. This is where you will create your items. You can rearrange them or remove if you don't need some of them. Okay, so we're going to select the image. We already have a title. We can add a link if you want. So let's just put like this. So you can see a new icon showing up here. This will open the image in a lightbox, while this will take you to the custom link you define. Here's my image. Okay. You can also add a video to open in the lightbox instead of the image. Just click here, change to video, and paste your YouTube link. I'm going to leave it at image for now. And we have the filter term, which is the element that shows up here in the filter. You can add as many as you need. So let's say I'm going to add a new filter for art. So if I click on art, just this element will show up. Here it is. Okay. And the same for the other elements. Of course, you can add some description right here. Here it is. Let's move on to the settings section. So here you can show or hide the filter, change the text for this button right here, change the alignment. For the widget, for the images, you can choose to open them in the lightbox or not, so make this disappear or not. You can choose the hover effect, so let's say zoom in, or maybe opacity. You can change the transition duration. Let's say like this. See how it takes longer for the transition to complete. You can align the content. Here it is, so perfectly centered. And change the HTML tag for the title. Now for the icons, you can see the default icons for the link and for the lightbox. Let's say I choose this one. So here it is, the new icon I chose. Now before moving on to the styling options, I want to show you one more thing. I'm going to go back to gallery. So basically, this gallery, basically the gallery works in a masonry layout. Let me show you what I mean. Let me just add some. So here you go. The elements show like bricks. Okay, let's move on to the styling tab. So right now we have some options for the whole wrapper. We have options for the filter. You can choose the spacing between the filter and the gallery. You can of course change also the spacing between the filter elements. You can choose the border radius, for example, if you want to. And you also have a full set of colors for each state, so normal, in this. Let's say I want the normal links to be red, and I want them green when I hover over them. Now I can also change the colors for the active filter element. So here it is. Okay. Let's move on to the items. So here we have another set of options. You can choose the padding, the border if you want to add a border to each element. You can choose the border radius, just round out the gallery items a bit. You can add box shadows. And of course you have the options for the content. You can, for example, change the overlay color. Let's do it like this. With some opacity. And here it is. A little bit darker. Okay, you can change the title color. The content color, if you add some description to your gallery item. Of course, you have a full set of typography options. So basically you can customize any element. Now for the icons, you can change the size. It's bigger. Like this. You can change the background color, the icon color, and also the color when you hover over it. So let's do like this. So here it is. That's it. Thank you for watching.